Yeah, so many retired players in this stuff, which aren't bad if you hit the big boys. I want to see an RPA of one of the big three, though. All right, break number 3. Here we go. We got Josh, Clint, Jordan, Michael, Jonathan, that Jonathan, Jim, Chad, and Carlos. Boom. That's true. It should be a big four now. Hertz is selling for good money. That's who I've been buying, Caretaker. I've been buying Eason. That's my guy I've been buying just because it's cheap and I think he's got decent potential. I'll take the risk on it. I don't think James Morgan's getting a shot, Yowie. But we'll see. You can buy his cards for next to nothing. All right, boys, Facebook people, welcome back. This is break number 3. We are almost there. Break number 3, random divisions. Let's roll the dice. Hopefully it's not a 4. It's a 5. We're going up by 1. We'll take it. Let's roll the dice. Or excuse me, let's hit the randomizer. Really, roll the dice. We'll hit it 5 times. Josh, you're at the top. Carlos, you're at the bottom. This is break number 3 for Obsidian. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Jonathan's at the top. Jordan's at the bottom. The Jays have it absolutely surrounded. Everybody's going to get one division. We'll press it 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boom, there it is. All right, Jonathan, AFC West. Chad, NFC West. Michael, NFC South. Carlos, NFC North. Jim, NFC East. Clint with the AFC South. Josh with the AFC East. And Jordan with the AFC North. Break number 3. Good luck, boys. Here we go. We hit a Herbie jumbo jersey. We've hit a Culpepper 1 of 1. A lot of nice veteran autos. But no big 3 auto yet. We're mowing through this case. One more break to do after this one. Here we go. Aaron Donald. That's to the Rams. That's to 150. Is that 150? 100. Aaron Donald, Rams. Let me make sure. Tag the right people real quick. Yes, I did. Okay, cool. All right, we got a nice KJ Hamler white. That's to the Broncos. These are these photo variation whites. They are not numbered, but they are harder to hit. KJ Hamler. And a Brandon Ayuk. That's to the 49ers, not numbered. All right, starting off with the hits. 9 of 100. All of our numbers have been really low. Serial number. That's Michael Pittman, triple relic. Dual jersey football. That's to the Colts. AFC South. Clint with the first hit. Michael Pittman Jr. Up next, Colin Johnson. This is the 150 for the Jags. Back-to-back AFC South hits. Might not be a bad guy to hang on to with Sunshine being the future quarterback out there. Colin Johnson. Another veteran hit here. This is Patrick Peterson, 52 of 75. NFC West. Chad, this is sick. Jersey auto, Patrick Peterson. That's to the Cardinals. Nice hit there, Chad. NFC West. Yeah, David, it looks like most of them are sticker autos. Football's been doing that a lot this year. Baseball, on the other hand, is all on card. Jared Judy. That's to 99. Dual jersey auto, Jared Judy. It's our second Jared Judy of this case. Not a bad guy to hit. Just wish Locke was a little more consistent quarterback. Box number 2. If you guys are just now getting on, we bought a case of XR. Bought a case of XR from our distributor. That was really because we haven't seen a case in a while, and honestly, I think that's one of the best products, football products of the year for the price. XR football. So we will. I will post that tonight. Full case of XR football. That's Lynn Bowden Jr. They finally got him in a Dolphins uniform. He's been with a Raiders uniform for basically all the products this year. They finally got him in with the Dolphins. Lynn Bowden Jr. Up next is Cole Kmet. This is 42 of 100. Jumbo jersey. Bears. And we got Antonio Gandy Golden. That's 22 of 50 for the Skins. Jumbo jersey. Broncos going to hit again with that Albert Akawambanam. Gosh, I'm so sorry. That's such a bad pronunciation of that. That's 2 of 50. And we're going to hit one of the cards we've been looking for. AFC East. 33 of 50. This is going to be a TUA Jumbo Jersey autograph, I think. One of the ones we've been looking for. Check out that card. Tua Tagovailoa patch autograph to 50. That's the AFC East, and that is Josh. Congrats. Nice hit there, sir. 3-color patch auto, Tua Tagovailoa. There we go, boys. That's the card we've been looking for. Nice hit there, Josh. I knew there was one in here. There had to be a big 3 auto, and we hit one. Congrats, Josh. That patch is sick. 22 of 50 on the Tua. They give you a want, 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 and then they give you a banger up high. 33 of 50 on the Tua. Congrats. And a DJ Dallas. That's to the Seahawks. That's to 100. We got a cool die cut card coming up. Check out this. Obsidian Aaron Rodgers die cut. I have not seen one of these. I do not know if they're well, they are super short. 30 of 15 Aaron Rodgers. Check out this. What a box this was. 3 of 15 Aaron Rodgers die cut. That's a beautiful card. What a box. This has been our best break of Obsidian so far. Break number 3. Aaron Rodgers, 3 of 15. That was a nice box. Got the TUA patch auto and the Aaron Rodgers super short print. No NFC South as of yet, Michael. Hopefully you get something in the last one. If you guys hit a goose egg, we always send you something. That's what separates us from other breakers. We're not going to send you home empty-handed. We promise. I got goose egg last night in a flawless break. 250 big ones down the drain. I'm going to start getting my wife to take my phone at night. Once it's past 10 o'clock, that's my witching hour. I'm going to say, babe, take my phone. Don't let me do anything stupid. Quintez Cephas, that's to the Lions. That's 275. Tre'Davious White, Bills, one of the best DBs in all of football. That's to 100. And a Aaron Rodgers again. Not numbered base. NFC North going to continue to hit here. 93 of 100. This should be a triple relic. DeAndre Swift. Dual jersey football. Great running back when he can stay healthy. Up next, Van Jefferson. This is 14 of 75. Auto. That's to the Rams. NFC West. And Packers going to stay hot. This is our second Aaron Jones. 6 of 100. Our second Aaron Jones autograph in this case. So we hit 2 Culpeppers and 2 Aaron Jones autos. Nice break for the Packers. And this is the guy I've been investing in quietly. Hopefully he pans out. 35 of 150. Jacob Eason. Dual jersey auto. That's to the Colts. AFC South, Clint, congrats. Jacob Eason. All right, boys, let's review the hits. This is break number 3, and then we will finish the case with break number 4. Eason, dual jersey autograph. That's to 150. Aaron Jones. That's to 100. Van Jefferson, rookie auto to 75. DeAndre Swift, triple relic to 100. Rodgers base. White base. Cephas base. DJ Dallas, rookie. Albert autograph. That was to 50. Broncos. Antonio Gandy Golden, Skins. Cole Kmet, Bears. Lynn Bowden Jr. finally with the Dolphins. Jared Judy, dual jersey auto. Patrick Peterson, jersey auto. That was to 75, Cardinals. And we have a Colin Johnson, rookie auto. That was to 150. Michael Pittman Jr., trifecta dual, or trifecta relic. Brandon Ayuk. KJ Hamler to the Broncos, super short print, white. Aaron Jones. And then we hit 2 very nice cards in this part of the break. Aaron Rodgers, super short print to 15. And then we had our Tua Tagovailoa patch autograph. That was to 50 Dolphins. And that went to Josh. It looks like the NFC South got swept, Michael, but we will send you something. Appreciate it, boys. I'll pause you guys on Facebook again, and I will be right back with our last 3 boxes of this case.